Imagine hearing this warning. A black hole is racing toward Earth, and our only chance of survival is to destroy the one thing the universe says cannot be destroyed. Sounds impossible, but what if the greatest threat to humanity wasn't the black hole itself, but our desperate attempts to stop it? The countdown has already begun. So naturally, we start with the most destructive weapons ever built. Every nuclear bomb on Earth is launched straight at the incoming monster. Thousands of warheads. Enough energy to rewrite history. The plan seems simple. Hit the black hole hard enough, and it disappears. Except that's not what happens. The explosions vanish. No shockwave. No damage. No victory. The black hole simply eats them. Like snacks. And now it's bigger. But here's the strange part. That isn't because black holes are indestructible machines. It's because they feed on exactly what we're using against them, matter and energy. The more we attack, the stronger it gets. So what exactly are we fighting? A black hole is a region of space where gravity becomes so powerful that nothing can escape. Not rockets, not particles, not even light itself. And that's where things get weird. Around every black hole is an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Cross it, and there's no coming back. Ever. If you fell in feet first, gravity would stretch your body into a long stream of atoms in a process scientists call spaghettification. Not exactly the kind of pasta you want to experience. Meanwhile, the black hole keeps growing, swallowing gas, swallowing stars, and now, potentially, swallowing Earth. But there's one detail most people never hear about. Black holes spin. They carry electric charge, and those properties have to stay perfectly balanced. Why? Because if that balance breaks, the black hole itself could become unstable. And that tiny clue might be humanity's first real chance. But that's not even the craziest part. What if the only way to destroy a black hole is with another black hole? Humanity decides to stop thinking like soldiers and start thinking like cosmic engineers. The new plan? Build our own black hole. And not just any black hole. An antimatter black hole. Antimatter is matter's evil twin. Same structure. Opposite properties. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other in a burst of pure energy. So if an antimatter black hole crashes into a normal black hole, the result should be catastrophic, right? That's what everyone expects. But then reality delivers another surprise. The collision happens. A tremendous explosion erupts. And the black hole survives. Again, even worse, it absorbs the released energy and becomes larger than before. What happens next changes everything. Maybe destroying it isn't about attacking. Maybe it's about feeding it something completely opposite. Something black holes hate. Enter the white hole. A theoretical object that works backward. Black holes pull everything in. White holes push everything out. Nothing enters. Everything escapes. In theory, if a white hole collided with a black hole, the two could cancel each other out in a massive burst of energy. Problem solved. Except there's one tiny issue. Nobody knows if white holes even exist. And this is where it gets weird. Some physicists have imagined an even stranger solution. A time machine. Using a wormhole, we travel into the black hole's past. Far enough back to reach the moment before it was born. Destroy it before it ever forms. Mission accomplished. Except we don't have wormholes. We don't have time machines. And we definitely don't have enough time. The black hole keeps approaching. Humanity keeps running out of options. Until one final possibility appears. A possibility hidden inside the black hole itself. And if it works, everything we thought we knew about these cosmic monsters could be wrong. For the first time, humanity stops asking how to destroy a black hole. Instead, we ask a far more dangerous question. What keeps one alive? The answer changes the entire mission. Remember that black holes spin. Remember that they carry charge. Those properties must remain within strict limits. Push them too far, and the black hole could lose stability. Suddenly, we're not trying to smash it. We're trying to break its balance. Increase its spin. Overload its charge. Force the cosmic engine beyond its limits. It sounds brilliant. Until scientists realize something terrifying. Messing with those parameters might not destroy the black hole. It could trigger consequences we don't fully understand. Maybe even on a universal scale. So humanity searches deeper. Could we tear apart the event horizon itself? Puncture it somehow? Drain the mass trapped inside? Maybe. But nobody knows what truly exists beyond that boundary. No probe has returned. No observer has survived. And then comes the biggest twist of all. The black hole already knows how to die. According to quantum physics, empty space isn't actually empty. Tiny particle pairs constantly appear and disappear. Near a black hole, one particle can fall inside while the other escapes. Over unimaginable lengths of time, this process slowly steals mass from the black hole, bit by bit, atom by atom, until eventually, the black hole evaporates. Not with an explosion, not with a battle, but with patience. Trillions upon trillions of years of patience. And that leaves us with a shocking conclusion. Can humanity destroy a black hole? Probably not. Can the universe destroy one? Absolutely. The real mystery is this. If black holes eventually disappear, what happens to everything they swallowed? Every star, every planet, every secret, every piece of information. Does it vanish forever? Or is it waiting somewhere beyond our understanding? And if the answer exists, could a black hole already know it?